Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Sujit here from Benzene. And today in this video, I'm going to talk about how to convert an epic into a user story or any other issue type. So let's start. Now, changing the issue type is a key requirement. A lot of teams ask me. A lot of times what happens, team members create an issue which is of a different type and they struggle to kind of change the type. So in this video, let's see how we can change the issue type from one type to another. In this example, I'm going to show how to convert or change an epic into a user story. All you have to do is go to your issue navigator screen and list out all the issues you want to change the issue type for. Once you're on the issue navigator screen, click on the three dot button on the top right corner. You will see bulk change. Select that. Now, the next step is to select the issues you want to change the type for. You can select by clicking on the issue on the checkbox here. Once you click on next, you will be directed to a screen like this. Click on edit issues and click next. In this screen, the first option is change issue type. Once you click on it, you will get a drop down of all the issue types you have in the projects. And this is the target issue type. For example, if I want to convert an epic into a user story, I will have to select user story here. Once you've selected your target issue type, go to the end of the screen, click on next. And the last step is to confirm. And the moment you click done, the issue type has already changed. Now, this is a very simple activity to do. If you have created a wrong issue type and want to change it, this is how we do it in Jira. I hope this video has helped you. Thank you so much for watching this. And please leave your comments and observations on the comment section below. Thank you.